Imagine a family of dogs strolling along the sea, dressed in stylish clothes, standing upright like humans, enjoying the salty breeze and the soothing sound of the waves crashing against the shore, their muscles rippling with each step, showcasing their strength and agility as they explore the vast expanse of the sea, feeling the freedom of the open waters. Bonding as a family unit, sharing moments of joy and laughter under the sun's warm embrace, creating memories that will last a lifetime in this unique and whimsical adventure.